Hello, my name is Alex, and this tutorial I want to talk to you about the ls directory command on Linux. Let's go! Hi again, Alex is here. What is ls command? The ls is list command in Linux. It will show the full list or content of your directory. Just type ls and press the enter key. But how? In Linux operating system, when you hold down the 3 key Ctrl Alt T, Ctrl Alt T, the terminal open where you can type command. Okay, and then type ls and enter key. Okay, whole content will be shown. ls is a command used to list computer directory and file in operating system. ls lists several files inside the working directory when used without arguments. In that directory, the files are listed if a directory is mentioned. The argument might include directory and file. Okay, Linux ls command option. ls-a ls-a type enter. The ls-a command will enlist the whole list of the current directory, including the hidden file. In Linux, hidden file start with dot symbol. You can see it in here. Okay, and they are not visible in regular directory. Linux ls-l command. ls-l type enter. Okay, it will show the list in long list format. Columns indicate specific things. Column 1 here indicate information regarding file permission. Columns 2 this indicate the number of links to file. Columns 3 and 4 this and this indicate the owner and group information. And column 5 this indicate size of the file in bytes. Columns 6 shows the date and time on which file was recently modified. And columns 7 shows the file or directory name. And columns 8 is time, and 9 is name of file in the directory. Okay, if you type this command in your terminal, ls-l block size equal m and type enter. Let's see the output here. Here all file size has list in megabytes. Okay, you can replace size with the following measures. You can type ls dash all dash 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 block dash size and equal, for example, k means kilobyte, and type enter. You can see all file kilobyte in kilobyte, or you can type again this command and equal g means gigabyte and type enter. You can see all file in gigabyte, or you can type again and equal t and type enter. Can all file in terabytes. That's enough. You can type k means kilobyte, m means megabyte, g means gigabyte, p petabyte, e exabyte, z zettabyte, y means yottabyte, and this. Okay, it's all of about ls-l for this tutorial. Okay, Control L for clean the terminal, and other Linux command is ls dash d star backspace and type enter. If you only want to display the subdirectory excluding all other files, you can use this command. The above results only show subdirectory excluding all the other files. Okay, if you don't want to display the owner information in your list, then you can exclude this column with help of this command. What command? If you type ls, sorry, I just type Control L, ls dash g and type enter, you can see her owner column is excluded and we don't see column owner. If you type again ls-g, I say to you, you can see owner columns, and owner columns is excluded. But if you type ls-l, now you can see column owners, and these different with this comment and this comment. Okay, now I want to say to you, type ls-l, type enter. If you don't want to display the group information in your list, you can exclude these columns with the help this command. What is command? ls-lg and type enter. Okay, her group columns is excluded. Okay, what is this? This is tilde. This is tilde. If you type ls tilde and type enter, the command ls tilde in Linux is used to list the content of user home directory. If you type just tilde and type enter, this is shorthand that represents the current user home directory. My username is Alex, and this is my current user home directory. And when you run ls and ls tilde, it displays the file and directory located in your home directory. You can use various options with ls to modify its output. For example, if you type ls-l -l tilde and type enter. Okay, sorry, type enter. List the content in line format showing permission, ownership, file size, and modification date. Or use if type ls-a tilde and type enter, shows all files including hidden file, those that start with a dot. Hidden file is start dot. You can see this and this. And okay, that's enough for this part. Alright, that's enough for this section. We've talked enough about the ls command. Well, there are other commands, for example ls-b, ls-r, ls-lx, ls-it, which you can search on Google. It's this section. All the important commands have been mentioned.